tissue.
He jumped.
There's her heart. Right, that's pretty cool. Yeah, there's her heart right there. That's her heart.
Almost looks a lot like ours.
Okay, and these pink organs under here, these are her lungs. And they get pushed up in the abdominal cavity, up high. This is her stomach. You can cut that open if you want to later on. Just make an incision down here. You see how many folds are in that stomach, like ours.
Are they called like rugae?
The rugae, the bumps, yes. And then we go from the stomach to the small intestine. This is all small intestine here, all around. Okay, and then the area right in here, that's going to be the pyloric sphincter. And if you look under here, we can find a real thin piece of tissue. That's the pancreas right there. It kind of falls between the stomach and the small intestine. Okay, so you follow the small intestine around, and it coils and it coils and it coils, and then it terminates in this tube right here, which is the large intestine. Okay, now this tube is different from these tubes. These tubes here, these are the oviducts.
Yeah, I was like,
okay.
I can't tell the
Those are all the oviducts. Because if you follow it, if you follow that small intestine, it coils around much smaller than those oviducts, and those are quite large. Okay.
She had a lot of eggs.
She had tons.
Yeah.
It was ridiculous.
Yeah. Okay.
All over.
And then there is the spleen.
Oh, wow.
That little red structure right there, that's the spleen. Okay. All right, and the liver. Okay, you have the liver here. All right, I would put that one, somehow goes, let's see, that's the vocal grid. It would actually go right up in here, and so you pulled it up. Okay, this is the other piece.
Yeah.
Make sure that goes back in before you put it away. This is the gallbladder. Okay, it stores bile. All right, these finger-like projections. Hold on 1 second. All right, you guys are going to keep your frog because you're going to use this on the final practical, and that's quite a ways away. So before you leave, and when you're done with the frog, you're going to put it in damp paper towel, put it in a black plastic bag, and then find the bucket with my name on it, and you're going to put that plastic bag into the bucket with your frog. And then we have some tape around here up at my desk that you can use to label your frog.
So we'll have our frog.
Yes, so you can look at it now from now until the practical. Okay.
We couldn't find the urinary bladder.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Wait, no, I
What
don't.
we're going to do is we've got to pull this tissue away. This is peritoneal tissue. Humans have it as well. It kind of keeps the kidneys in place. Now kidneys normally have a reddish color. Because these have taken up so much dye, they're blue. That is her right kidney there. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, and you have one on the other side as well. Just tear the tissue away. And there is her right kidney.
And more eggs.
With the oviducts. Yeah. Have to move those out of the way.
Eggs? Yeah.
Eggs everywhere.
She was packed. Are all the females like that, or just?
Oh no, it just depends on what part of the reproductive cycle they're in as to how many eggs they have in their abdominal cavity at one time. So she was probably about ready to release them. Now what many frogs will need is they'll need the male. The male will come along and lay on top of her, and he will squeeze her abdominal cavity with his front legs, and as she releases her eggs, he will release sperm into the water and will fertilize them. So they have internal and external fertilization.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we've got a girl. These are oviducts here. Okay. We saw the gallbladder. We saw the spleen. Spleen is also in this view here. Let's see, is it? Yeah, it's kind of small. That's her spleen right there. Okay, you wanted to see the urinary bladder. If I can borrow these real quick. Okay, there it is. It's a deflated sac. That's the gallbladder.
The urinary bladder?
Sorry, yes, urinary
Okay.
bladder. Yeah, it's a deflated sac.
I saw that.